Hello, and welcome to NASA's John H. Glenn Research Center. I'm Vanessa Webbs, the Internship Project Manager. NASA internships deliver hands-on experiences and provide the necessary knowledge, real-world practice, and problem-solving and networking skills you'll need to develop professional careers. NASA has internships available for high school juniors and seniors during the summer, and year-round for undergraduate and graduate students, as well as postdocs. College students and postdocs may participate in internships that occur year-round in either a 10-week summer opportunity or a 16-week fall or spring semester opportunity. To be eligible to apply for a NASA internship, you must be a U.S. citizen, a high school student in your junior or senior year, or a full-time college student pursuing a baccalaureate or higher degree at an accredited college or university in a field of science, technology, engineering, mathematics, or business-related field, and have a minimum cumulative GPA of 3.0 on a 4.0 scale. You'll engage in actual NASA-related mission-based research and development projects in our world-class facilities here at NASA Glenn. You'll have the opportunity to work with and to be mentored by some of the leading minds and subject matter experts in your field of study. Maybe you'll find yourself working on the Orion service module, or testing and modeling for future aircraft, or developing space communication systems. Perhaps you're interested in contributing to environmental management, safety, technology transfer, data analytics, or virtual reality programming. Our interns also participate in conferences and a career showcase where you'll learn more about NASA Glenn's areas of expertise and opportunities across the center. A midterm presentation or poster session rounds out your experience at NASA Glenn, where you'll tell us what you did and how it's impacting our future missions. Ultimately, we hope you'll leave NASA Glenn at the end of your internship with the professional tools and experiences that will challenge, inspire, and promote practical application to expand upon your high school and college education. Did I mention you'll be paid during your time at NASA? Yes, paid. Stipend amounts are based on academic classification and length of internship. Some of our internship programs offer a limited one-time round-trip travel reimbursement for anyone living more than 50 miles from NASA Glenn. NASA Glenn will provide you with a housing availability list, but it's up to you to decide what housing situation works best for you. Our interns are required to confirm their own housing and are responsible for paying the rent. We also offer a social media site where interns can begin to communicate and network with each other about housing, travel arrangements, expectations, and their excitement. At NASA Glenn, you'll have an opportunity to make real contributions towards advancing NASA technologies. This experience is also meant to be mutually beneficial. NASA faces challenges with every project and mission, and we are always looking for new, creative ways to solve problems and move forward. You may see things from a different angle or have a thought that our researchers have not yet considered. Your voice could be just the one we need to hear, and it starts today with a NASA internship application. To apply, visit our website. There you'll find our application, specific deadlines, internship session dates, and all the information you need to begin your journey to NASA. Thanks for spending these few minutes with me, and wishing you all the best in your education and careers.